Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I'm here to share my Cocoa Daisy kits that I purchased for, we received it in April but May subscription. If you're new, welcome, I'm Jen. So I am liking the Field Notes and Florals collection. It is beautiful. I am probably mostly going to use these kits. I'm trying to get more into junk journaling and journaling. So if you don't see a lot of this kit, it's probably because I'm going to use it in some journals. And so yeah, I just want to stretch this kit as much as I can. So we'll go ahead and start with the creative kit. So the reason why I purchased the creative kit is because of the thin paper. So we'll go through the paper pad first. So it is beautiful. So you get 2 sheets of each. Pretty yellow and white. And these papers go a long ways. Stripe pages, which can be used almost like washi tape. I could cut these out and use them almost like for washi tape on edges. That would be fun for some mixed media, like the ruler. I really like the colors as well. Pink polka dot is really pretty. The white and black. Hopefully I have enough. There we go. Then you have the letters, the alphas and the numbers. That reminds me kind of like a Tim Holt style. I really like this Post-it here. I almost regretted getting the stationery kit, but I didn't want to get too much. So these are nice because I can use those. Cut out like the little postage stamps. This looks, I guess, like a ledger style. And then that's it for that. Next is the, let's see, washi tape. So there's some alphas and number washi tape. Very nice. The little washi booklet. Let's open that. So you get different washi samples. Those are so cute. I really like this one. This is going to definitely be fun to use in a journal all in the garden. It's cute. Grand Rapids, Michigan. Oh, the butterflies. Very nice. And it comes off clear, so that's going to be fun to use. Another spring day. Some flowers. Butterflies. Get a lot. Remember, this is going to be fun to use. All right, so you get the washi booklet. And oh, I forgot to show you the back in case you want to read the back of the card. Put that there. Hopefully you can see that. And then in this packet you get die cuts. gonna kind of spread these out so you can see these tags and like the little stamps. You get quite a bit. That's a big one there. Butterflies, like a measure. Oops. Tabs and tags. What's nice is this definitely goes with some of my past collections. So pretty. There's a bunch of different die cuts there. Hopefully you can see those. So you get quite a bit of variety. Little stamp there is cute. I actually have some stamps that I purchased years ago from in Italy. I could probably throw some of those in there. Then you get an envelope, craft envelope with these beautiful cards. Let's see. There's that card. So cute. That is so pretty. Really looks really pretty in person. Lavender. And sunshine on my mind. It's pretty. Here you get the dry flowers and a little butterfly. So it's shrink sealed in there. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with that. That is so pretty. Then you get this like sample card. And on the back says the collection. And then you get rub-ons. And then this last beautiful leaf washi tape. Okay, so that is the creative kit. Next is the planner. I decided to get the planner kit. I haven't gotten the planner kit in a while, so I decided to go ahead and get it. Oh, what does this say here? Here's a little note here. Let me see what it says. Please accept our apologies due to the production error. The collage washi tape from the field notes and floral planner kit and the washi trio has been replaced with the burgundy, all with white floral washi tape from the stationery kit. We are sorry for any inconvenience this may cause. If you have any questions or concerns. Oh, so I won't get that purple is pretty too, but the washi tape actually had like this kind of pattern on it. So I guess we are not getting those. So instead, I have a purple, a green, and then this washi. Aw. But that's pretty together, so that works. That's fine. Stuff happens. Here's some more die cuts. Yeah, just a bunch of die cuts in there, kind of the same theme. I don't know if you want me to go through it. This month, we get the mild liner fine ink. Let's see, let's just put hello today. And hello today. And this is the color red. that's how that looks. And speaking of this month, we get a notepad and sticky notes. I like this. I like to put these in my planners. And I could just put like some washi tape on it if I want to. The beautiful sticky notes. The pin loop. So funny, out of all the months I get the washi. I missed out on the washi tape, but I'm glad they brought this back because I really like the cards, the monthly cards. I like to take this and do like a page flag type thing and put it together. So this is an ink test card, but it can also be used as a tip-in. There's more ahead than there is behind. This is so pretty. Let's see in case. Let's look at that again. Very pretty. And then here's some pockets. So this says, less haste, more noticing. And this one is a design and number 192. So pretty. And then here we get, of course, so this is my first month of getting it, where we get the numbers added to it. I mean, for the price, you do get quite a bit in this kit. Let's see. This is pretty. Right. And then, so this used to be in the stationery kit. Now it's in the, or no, was it the creative kit? Creative kit. And I like getting the boxes. So you get the alphas, numbers, and boxes. So I like that because I like these small alphas too. I'm running out of those, so it's nice having that. And then you get these stickers. So like I said, it's been a while since I've gotten the planner kit, so it's nice having it again. Let's see, where can I put show you the PET sticker sheets. So pretty. I mean, 2 kits, it's like way more than enough. And then this beautiful paper, which is scaled down, this version. So there, and here. Get this pattern again. And that's pretty. And then this again. And on the other side is the beautiful stripes. And last but not least, I got the standard version of this. So I'm struggling with using my memory keeping currently. This is what I'm using. I've already kind of set it up for April. And I'll set it up for May. This is for April. So I haven't really even, I've just numbered it. But I'm thinking about going back to memory keeping in these notebooks right here. I I kind of want kind of something I can sit and use. So I'm thinking about going back to memory keeping in one of these. I used to do it all the time when I was in Italy. And so I'm thinking this is what I'm gonna do for May and try it. And put pictures and journal. So see, that's the thing. I can journal on one side, put pictures on the other. And it doesn't have to be every day, but the days that we are doing something. The other, I feel like I mean, it's weekly. I could cover up the weeks, but I feel like I'm committing to something dated. But versus this, I could stretch this, like this could be May and June memory keeping. So I will keep you posted. So that's what I'm thinking about doing with this here. And I like how it does have the calendar. So stay tuned. I will let you know where I'm going to go with this. And thank you so much for stopping by and watching. Oh, I did also get the pages. Oh, you know what? I forgot. I did get the Bible journaling stickers this month. I forgot about that. They were so pretty. I couldn't pass them up. So here's some, and then I could put my Bible journaling stickers in here. I really like this. So pretty. Matches the paper. And you know, honestly, it's gonna be either between this notebook here or maybe even my sterling ink that I may even start memory keeping. So stay tuned for that. I just need to switch it up and do something different because I'm feeling like that system that I'm using is a task. So we will see. And yeah, so, and I did get these pages. So it was just so pretty. So I did get that for this month. So thank you so much for stopping by and watching. Stay tuned. I think I'll do some kind of setup with this because it's such a gorgeous kit. So stay tuned for that. And I hope y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.